Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut your music on the KineMaster editing app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KineMaster application on your device and you may create any new project that you wish or continue editing from your old one. Once you are inside the timeline menu, you can add any audio from the audio tab, or you may also record one if you wish by tapping on the record microphone icon. Once your audio has been added to your timeline, if you wish to cut it at any location, then simply hover over to this location first and then tap on this audio track. From here you will find the trim or split option. Go ahead and tap on it and you will now see three different options. If you wish to delete the left part, tap on trim left, and if you wish to delete the right part, tap on trim right. You can tap on the split option if you simply wish to divide them into two different clips. After choosing your desired cut option, it will be applied to your audio right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to cut your music or audio files on KineMaster. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.